CTM stock analysis and CTM stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this page that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented everything. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, which obviously you don't have to spend your resources on that, because I've been to that freaking trenches, bro. But ultimately, here's the before. You know, this is not that I just now started buying CTM. This is the before. You know, here's the proof of that. When it pulled down, it pulled 5 months back. Not only did it actually pull down, but then the next day it went up to 2. So it went from like 40 cents to $2. And then here's the proof of the most recent color that I got. Boom. This was made 11 days ago, before June even began. Since then, we just started picking up, you know. So I'm going to stick to it. Why the heck would I change it, you know? So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.